Bitcoin is racing again. Do you want to know why? Well, we have 6 reasons you need to know, and also all the information you have, the factuals about crypto and Bitcoin. You need to smash the like button because this is Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo, your host for the most. And you can see here how Bitcoin is trying to make us all crazy. Going up, then going down, and up and down. It's crazy what we lived on 5th of July here together. You have to watch all the videos. And what about now? Well, we went down again, kinda going to the same level at 53,514, and then up again, close to this line of resistance that we broke here. So we'll see about those two very interesting points in 58,700, something like that, and then someday in that $59,000 range approximately. We'll see about that today. Very, very interesting Monday that we have to follow here. Even Bitcoin Cash is going up. Why would this thing be up? Why those bots are buying Bitcoin Cash? We have no clue. But any case, you still see movements on MTGOX. That's why we are going down, because you watch previous videos. And if you want an update, it's very interesting, in my opinion, that Marty Party here is telling us that it's different if you had one or another exchange for having your MTGOX money back. So Kraken is giving you around 90 days for the payouts. Bitstamp 60 days. BitGo will go to 20 days. So the idea is that we are not having all that money at the same time, but again, it's being absorbed through the market in different timings. So yeah, it's not that bad. As you can see, 5th of July, we have this panic selling, all those balls, the snowball that starts making people panic. And then what? We recovered. Also, we still have German government, even in the weekend, selling cryptocurrency, selling Bitcoin. Maybe you heard that fake news or rumor, better said, that they were buying. It's not true. Thing is that they had an order, wasn't filled, so it seems that they are rebuying Bitcoin. They are not. But eventually they will get rid of this Bitcoin. Also, MTGOX Bitcoin will be redistributed, and as soon as we are done with that, we'll be happy probably for the last quarter. Also, remember that there's some information interesting here. Some countries out there with Bitcoin: United States, China, United Kingdom, now Germany, also Ukraine and El Salvador. They are not selling in El Salvador. They are buying one every single day. Spanish government, you listen to me, then please buy one Bitcoin every day, just in case, just like El Salvador, we want to be in this list. Please do that. They will not. Or maybe they will in the future. Who knows? It's not good that the ETFs, even though we had 2 good days last week, it wasn't a very good week. So yeah, that's why price of Bitcoin went down. And we had this weekly close in 55,825. That's not good, but you can see that this Monday we are even breaking this resistance line that we drew some time ago. So yeah, Bitcoin so crazy. At one moment you are thinking about $50,000, and the next one you are heading to $60,000. This is a very important weekly broken, because if you compare with the situation in the past, it's not usual to go there. Bitcoin was below the reaccumulation range low for the first time in over 4 months that the range has existed. Bitcoin has been moving sideways in this range since last February 2024. Not good. Also, you can see here the point we broke, and now people believe that we might even need to go to $38,000 in order to kinda complete all this movement. Max here telling us that maybe we recover soon enough that point in $60,000 and we go through this green path, or maybe we have to wait even to the end of the year. Right now, some pessimistic people out there in order to go to new highs. So, should you fear or should you see this as an opportunity? Well, Japanese company Metaplanet, they bought more Bitcoin once more. And we have also good news from Binance. In a victory for the industry, a US federal court dismissed several SEC claims against Binance, ruling that crypto tokens are not securities. Very important, not just for Binance, but for other tokens. BNB sales on secondary exchanges were not adequately alleged to be securities. BUSD is not a security. This is huge for the market, maybe one of the most important pieces of information that are making the market go up again. And remember that some people are buying crypto, not selling. You see here people in El Salvador, kids with miners, with Bitcoin miners, understanding how this is wealth and how things can change if you learn with our videos with Bitcoin and how things change from red to green. Right now, this is the market, all in the green, the bubbles in the green. We'll see in a couple of hours more green in the most important ones. Even Bitcoin Cash, as I'm telling you, is going up. And remember that you should follow all this craziness with the tool that is the only one working out there. It's called dextools.io, and you have the link in the description below. They are always improving. Right now, they have a different search box, so you can go there and try it. It's very interesting that if you click on the search, you see now token creators. Remember that you can create your tokens now with dextools.io in a very simple, easy way, and also in a convenient one, because of course they are the platform right now, the way to enter in the crypto world. As you have Amazon for buying things, well, you have dextools.io for understanding this crazy, crazy world of crypto. If you don't know about them, you have the link in the description below. That way you'll know about the altcoin season. And here, Mr. Mustacher telling us that maybe we are in this double bottom that we have 2019, 2020, now it's 2023, 2024. That's what we want. Eventually, we might have it. What about Ethereum? We broke different important lines, but again, we are going up to the same line. We'll see in the future if we break it in a positive way. What do you think about that? Leave a comment below. Thank you very much. And remember that maybe this week, even this week, we might have an Ethereum ETF in United States. Now that this grayscale study reveals that Ethereum ETF listing can lure 25% US voters to Ethereum investing. Remember that crypto now is an election issue when we are just 120 days away from the election in United States. We are not following both paths in the past, 2020 and 2016, but if we keep from the point we are right now, if we compare the situation, even though we drop for good, but if we compare the situation right now, we might go flat. This happened the last 2 times, flat till the end of July. And then we will go up and we'll see beyond that. So remember to smash the like button and watch all the videos. Very, very interesting variable, the election in United States. And also my favorite one is the dollar chart. And you can see here that we are now in a very interesting point. Are we going to bounce in this point and go up again to the line, or we're going to break it and try to find the next one? Very important for the stock market and also for crypto market. But what are those 6 reasons I'm telling you that will make Bitcoin bounce from this point? Well, you have those arguments here from Cointelegraph. Bullish divergence, boost BTC rebound prospects. Also, we had a bullish hammer, which was crazy. This one here, 5th July. Incredible, incredible. You panic, but then you have a lot of sellers and you have more buyers out there. So this makes people believe this market is strong. If we have a disaster like we had, but you see all those bites in just some hours, I believe it's very important for the market. Also, Wall Street bets on September rate cuts rise. They are in 72% right now. They believe money is going to come into the market. Bitcoin ETF investors return after July decline. They are in vacation, but they will come back and they will put money into those ETFs. Also, US money supply expanding again, and Bitcoin miner capitulation hinting at Bitcoin price bottom, as the metrics right now with miners are the same as in the last bottom. Very, very interesting arguments to understand why Bitcoin is bouncing. Come on, you need to break these lines. We'll see about that. And remember that we may have a major economic shift incoming next month. For the first time since October 2020, the world will officially enter phase of need easing. Money printing will begin, more liquidity to kickstart mega bull run. Why not? Consider that stock market is going up, gold is going up, everything but crypto. So come on, crypto, you can do that too. And what about this week? Well, this week for Bitcoin, US House will vote overturning Biden's veto of sub 121 crypto bill. This will be critical vote for the industry, of course. So maybe the market is going to rise since this point. This was the bottom. What do you think about that? You want more information? You have it in previous video all about this. We saw this chart. We are still following this path, or maybe we are following the McDonald's one and we are in a terrible situation. Tell me in the comments below if you believe in McDonald's or in the banana chart, or maybe you want to go in a more conservative but optimistic thought. So you think that we just touch this middle of the parallel channel that Bitcoin is having since 2022, and now we will go to the up, or maybe we'll still across the middle range of this parallel channel. It's good to think that considering July the 4th, for example, well, we started 2013 with $80 for one Bitcoin, and this year was top all-time high, 58,600. So again, when in doubt, zoom out, and you can see that Bitcoin tendency for the last 15 years is an optimistic one. And also, if you compare the situation right now with Apple stock market chart, you can see that it might be exactly the same. Well, Apple did go crazy up. So maybe we are with Bitcoin having the same. And this is your question for today. Some people believe right now in a pessimistic way that we might be in euphoria phase already, and then we'll get to complacency, and then we will go down, maybe to zero in Bitcoin. Some other people believe we are in belief right now after this belief, hope, and optimism, and we have just this moment here that will bring us to thrill, euphoria, and then, yes, complacency again. So what do you think? We are in euphoria phase, it's too late, or we are in belief and we still have thrill and euphoria ahead of us? In any case, telling you bad stuff. Celsius, remember the fiasco we had there with that guy? Well, right now, things are even crazier with that. Celsius is going after over 5,000 people that withdraw their money from Celsius within 90 days of their bankruptcy. Imagine withdrawing your funds from a crypto exchange that has been lying about their reserves and then declared bankruptcy days after you escaped, and now you're being sued. All the more reason to withdraw sooner rather than later. This is crazy. I'm going to leave you more information about this just in case you are sued because of this. Hopefully not. But it's very important information for you if you were in Celsius. And maybe this will make you think how things are not very safe in the crypto sphere, and we need all we can have, like a cold wallet, like a Trezor. Say 5, they are shipping right now. So buy it now with the link in the description below. Those are partners of Fine on the Right. Thank you very much for your help. Right now, they have a Trezor expert season with a 20% off. Also, maybe you don't understand this, you don't want to watch our videos. We have 3 dedicated videos about Trezor right now. Watch them. But maybe you need an expert session, so they will help you to set up your Trezor. They will discover how to manage your crypto with you and, well, boost your confidence in a 1-hour session. So yeah, link in the description below in case you need it. Thank you, Trezor, for retweeting our tweet. You are so kind helping our community, our Spanish community here on fun on the right. And also remember our partner Bybit. They have this amazing card that I use all the time, and you have some cash back if you use it. So this summer, tell me things you're buying, like a beer maybe, with Bybit card, and I will tell about that in the next show. Also remember our partner coin tracking. Maybe you need to start with some control of your portfolio, like this demo account. Well, link in the description below. That way, in the future, for good or for bad, you know what's going on with your crypto. Maybe you are buying in the deep, like this guy. Well, you'll need in the future to know how millionaire or billionaire you are. And if you are just losing money, like this guy, it is okay. Do not get too depressed. Things will get better eventually. And while this goes on, we keep on learning with AI News, Artificial Intelligence, our other channel. You should watch it. I recommend it for you. And if you want more about crypto, well, one of more than 1,800 videos that we have already here on CryptoNews. Rodrigo Arnedo, fun on the ride, health, money, love, poor in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!